What's good, people? Back at it again with another unboxing. This time I got Quantum Break for the Xbox One. Probably the first exclusive for 2016. I'm kind of looking forward to this game. See, like freeze time and stuff like that. And playing as um Iceman. Let's see. Give me an Alan Wake. Okay. I'm gonna check that game out because I never really checked it out on the 360. And from the looks of this game, it looks like it's the game looks good. And that's pretty much it. I ain't really got much to say. I'm just waiting on Uncharted 4. Um, and for games like The Division, I ain't get them because I was really not interested in that game. I played it. All this was a third person Destiny, but I'm gonna pop this in and I'm gonna try to enjoy this game. So appreciate it.